Welcome to Digital Marketing School. Today we're talking to Una Coleman from Codega Consulting. Una, welcome to Digital Marketing School. Can I first ask you a little bit about your company and what your role is?
Yes, hi Simon, and thank you very much for having me here this morning. I always watch your videos, so I'm delighted to be in such salubrious company. My company is Codega Consulting, and we work primarily with SMEs and technology companies to design and deliver a marketing strategy for them. And my own domain expertise is in financial services. Those companies are mostly SMEs. The nature of those organisations is that many of them have been what is termed as born global. So they need to look at markets outside of Ireland to develop a sustainable business for themselves. The Irish market is too small.
And how do you describe the role of online marketing to prospective clients?
I suppose I see online marketing as having maybe three key characteristics. So reach, influence and control. Through online marketing, SMEs in particular have an opportunity to reach a much broader and a global audience in a more cost-effective manner than previously. And it's a fantastic opportunity for Ireland and for Irish companies to be able to tap into that global market. So reach, being able to reach that much bigger and global audience. Influence, that is about really creating an opportunity where your prospects choose you over a competitor. Social media marketing has a great opportunity to create that influence, because it's really now we talk a lot about a two-way dialogue. Previously, the relationship between customers and prospects in an organisation was limited, but now it can be an ongoing dialogue. And from a marketing perspective, it's, well, how do you take prospects through the sales funnel? So online marketing, social media marketing is an opportunity which wasn't really there before. And then the last characteristic is controlling the conversation. Again, these are terms that everybody is hearing much more these days. So when somebody searches for your product or services or your organisation, you need to be in control of what's coming up, what's returned by, for instance, a Google search. You need to be in control of the conversation, and the way you are in control of the conversation is through Google alerts, understanding what people are saying about you, about generating content, and about dialoguing with those prospects and customers.
And when you're designing an online strategy for a company, where do you like to start?
Simon, I actually teach as well at the Institute of Technology in Tallaght, third-year marketing students, and in terms of company starting, it's back to the academic piece. It's really about doing your strategic review, your SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, looking at your competitive environment. When you do all of that, you do need to determine what your USP is, your unique selling point and your differentiator, why somebody will choose you as opposed to your competitors. So that is the start. That's the starting point. From the second factor to look at is, where are your prospects online? What platforms do they use? The third then is, how do you get yourself up the Google rankings? How are you going to be portrayed when somebody puts in a search for keywords. So it's visibility in search engines, and for visibility in search engines, it's keyword density. There's some brilliant tools out there like Google Insights for Search, which can help you identify how your prospects are looking for your products and services. Set up your Google AdWords account even before you start spending any money. Put in the terms that you think people are using to search. Google will then give you fantastic information as to how many people are using that term, how often, in what locations, and it'll give you all sorts of other terms as well.
And you're a great advocate of email marketing. Where do you think this fits into a marketing strategy?
90 trillion emails were sent over the internet in 2009. The benefits of email marketing are several. One is it's a way, again, of staying in front of your prospects and your client base, so building that dialogue and staying front of mind while you're taking them through the pipeline. Everything is measurable. You can see how many people have opened your email, clicked through, and gone to purchase online if you have an e-commerce proposition.
You have some workshops coming up in digital marketing. Would you like to tell us a bit about those?
Yes, I'm doing a number of workshops in the next month or two. They're primarily focused around the MBA Association of Ireland for that group, but anybody is welcome to come along.
Una Coleman from Codega Consulting, thanks for talking to us today at Digital Marketing School.